38 minutes. Committee on Science, Technology and Environment, Forest and Climate Change to 2 hours 30 minutes. The terms of average attendance for each meeting. The Committee on Education topped with 60.2%, followed by the Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture with 54.83%. Honorable members, at the meeting of leaders of various parties and groups chaired by me today, by me yesterday, all sections have expressed a keen desire for smooth functioning of the House during this session. I hope that such noble intentions will manifest in the floor of the House. Political parties are central to our democracy, and the Parliament is no doubt a political institution in the sense, but it is much more than that given mandate of the Parliament. Please go to your seats. This is not the way. This is not the way. I am not going to allow you. I am not going to allow you here like this. The people, we must stand by the people in their hour of need by doing the route during this session. We are all on test, and I hope we acquaint ourselves creditably by ensuring a productive monsoon session. I hope everyone will follow. No banners, please go to your place. No banners, no slogans, please go to your respective seats. Introduction of the new ministers, newly inducted minister by the Prime Minister. Prime Minister, introduction of the new ministers. Please go to your seats. Please go to your seats. Senior member. No point. How can it be point of order? When you create a disorder and you want to ask for point of order. Please.
माननीय सभापति जी, आपने मुझे मंत्रिमंडल के नए सदस्यों का इस सदन में परिचय कराने के लिए आदेश किया है। आज एक ऐसा अवसर है इस सदन का जब इस देश के गांव के
Nothing shall go on record other than the Prime Minister.
परिवार के बच्चे आज जब मंत्री बनकर के इस सम्मानीय सदन में उनका परिचय हो रहा है तो कुछ लोगों को बड़ी पीड़ा हो रही है। आज इस सदन में महिलाएं जो मंत्री बनी हैं उनका परिचय हो रहा है। वो कौन सी महिला विरोधी मानसिकता है कि जिसके कारण इस सदन में उनका नाम भी सुनने को तैयार नहीं है, उनका परिचय भी कराने को तैयार नहीं है। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब के हमारे सांसद साथी मंत्री बने हैं। हमारे आदिवासियों के प्रति ऐसी कौन सी इनके प्रति रोष की भावना है कि वे आदिवासी मंत्रियों का परिचय इस सम्मानीय सदन में हो, ये भी उनको पसंद नहीं आ रहा है। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, इस सदन में बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में दलित मंत्रियों का परिचय हो रहा है। दलित समाज के इन प्रतिनिधियों का नाम सुनने को ये तैयार नहीं है। ये कौन सी मानसिकता है जो दलितों का गौरव करने को तैयार नहीं, आदिवासियों का गौरव करने को तैयार नहीं, किसान के बेटे का गौरव करने का तैयार नहीं। ये कौन सी मानसिकता है जो महिलाओं का गौरव करने को तैयार नहीं। इस प्रकार की विकृत मानसिकता पहली बार सदन में देखी है और इसलिए माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, आपने परिचय कराने के लिए जो अवसर दिया इसके लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूं। लेकिन माननीय सभापति जी, मंत्रिमंडल में नवनियुक्त सदस्यों को राज्यसभा में इंट्रोड्यूस समझा जाए।
Please go to the list of ministers who are to be introduced. I'm coming to that, please. I'm coming to that. The Prime Minister has laid the list of the new ministers on the table of the House. You have to understand members and there in future also. The House.
सभापति जी, वर्षों की एक परंपरा इस उच्च सदन में चलते आ रही है कि जब भी नया मंत्रिमंडल बनता है, जब भी मंत्रिमंडल में विस्तार होता है, तब माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी सबका परिचय हमारे सदस्यों को करते हैं। ये परंपरा आज की नहीं है, दशकों से जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के समय से चलते जा रही है। आज बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति विपक्ष के साथियों ने खड़ी की है और मुझे बड़ा दुख के साथ इसको कंडेम करना पड़ रहा है। इस प्रकार का व्यवहार देश की लोकतंत्र की परंपरा के लिए बहुत हानिकारक रहेगा। आज पूरे देश की आशाएं आकांक्षाएं हम सबके साथ जुड़ी हुई है। पूरा देश इस दृश्य को देखकर आज पीड़ा करेगा कि जो हमारे ऊपर दायित्व उन्होंने दिया है उसको हम अच्छी तरीके से निर्वाह नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। मैं कंडेम करता हूँ इस प्रकार का व्यवहार मेरे साथी सदस्यों का, और आपका भी अपमान जिस प्रकार से आज किया गया कि आपको बोलने नहीं दिया, आप अपना वक्तव्य नहीं रख पाए। बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण स्थिति आज इस सदन में शायद पहली बार ही देखी।
Honorable members, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to that. I am coming to the notices given by you if you want to hear me. If you don't want to hear, I am responding to the notices given by you. Please go to your seats. I am responding to the notices given by you. Please go to your seats. Please go to your seats. Please go to your seats. I am responding to the notice given by you. You don't want the response. You don't want to hear about 267. 267. 267. Please go to your seat. Please go to your seat. Nothing is going to be reported because except you will be spoiling your throat. I am just responding. Honorable members, on the very first day of this monsoon session, the Secretariat has received as many as 17 notices for suspension of rules under 267. Members from 10 different parties have given these notices on a range of issues. Members belonging to same parties have given these notices on different issues. This suggests that there is no single view on the urgency of the issues and need to take up suspend of the rules. Only one of the, I know the rule position. First, आप लोग बैठ जाइए. You ask your people to come to their seats, respective seats. This is not fair. This is not fair. This is not the fair. This suggests that there is no single view. Only one of the 17 notices to the situation caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. On careful consideration, I found that the issues raised are not of sudden occurrence, warranting immediate discussion in the House today itself. While I appreciate the concerns of the honourable members, the notices given by various members, they are on wide-ranging issues. Some of them are definitely important, undoubtedly. Undoubtedly they are important, but there is a procedure. You cannot discuss 17 issues simultaneously. There has to be a procedure. Try to understand this. So yesterday, all parties have assured that they will cooperate for the proper functioning of the House. I assure you that all the issues which you have given notice, they will be taken up in due course of time. But I cannot take 17 days. I am not going to hear you unless you ask your members to sit down. Please ask your members to sit down. Sanjay, please go to your seat, please. Vijay Sarati, including special status, including notice given by you. All this will be taken up in due course of time. Nobody can dictate the chair. Nobody can dictate the chair. Try to understand this. And I am not going to be dictated. So the 267 notices given by honorable members, if there is order in the House, then we can think about. But if there is no order and you dictate to me, I am not going to oblige it. I am sorry to say it. Please go to your respective seats. See, you are also aware of the fact that the Honorable Prime Minister is leader of the country. When he elected ministers, it is minimum courtesy that we allow the Prime Minister to introduce his colleagues to the House. It is for our felicitation only. I am sorry to say this, but what can have been the Prime Minister's introduction of the other ministers is laid on the table of the House. It is on record, one can go through this.